Good morning, students. Myself, Rangnath Billar B, Assistant Professor of English. In our today's presentation, we will discuss about the first lesson of second unit of BSc third sem, and the lesson is entitled as When Fair is Lovely, written by Nandita Das. Nandita Das has been writing many number of articles about color discrimination which is going on in our country. To become a successful actor in Indian film industry, a woman should have a fair skin. Prerequisite for being an actress is fair skin in our country. She also says that since her childhood days, she used to come across people using the common catchword, "She is so dark, such a poor thing." She thanks her parents for whom color was of no concernment to them. How she looked was unimportant to them. She says that people should be judged not upon the attributes of their color or looks, but they should be judged upon their actions. Parents' role to instill confidence in children is a vital issue. In the showbiz world of cinema and glamour, fair skin matters a lot. In the TV advertisements and the advertisement holdings and the magazine covers project only fair skinned women. These showbiz women or fair looking women have become the role models for our college going young girls, and they also want to look like them, attractive and fairer, and so they use different sorts of fairness creams. Because of that reason, there is an unprecedented rise in the use of fairness products. Nandita Das says that a new trend is making rounds, that is, even men also have an obsession to look fairer. Because of that, there is a rise in fairness products exclusively meant for men. Even men also feel insecure because of the color of their skin. Whenever she was invited as a guest of honor to colleges and universities, there used to be invariably a common question posed to her by the young college girls. The question is, how she mustered such courage, though being a dark. When she comes across such questions, she wants to make these young college going girls understand that the attributes of the skin and the looks never matter, doesn't matter. It is never the reason for a success or failure. Whenever she comes across a sales girl, say trying to sell her a fairness product, she gives them a lecture against the use of these fairness products. Nandita Das has become an activist for the cause of color. Many number of parents, they desire that their child should become fairer. So they believe that by drinking milk with saffron very early in the morning will ensure them a fairer child. Even the fairy tale stories features the protagonist or heroines who are fairer. For example, the fairy tale story which is entitled as Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, all these center around these fair heroines. I will read the statement made by Nandita Das, and I quote, "We keep saying things like उसका रंग साफ है, as if dark skin is a dirty thing. This mindset is then propagated in our songs, stories, and movies. There are many number of Hollywood numbers which focuses upon and which makes white skin as the superior one, like गोरे गोरी गोरी गोरे हो काले हो तो क्या हुआ दिलवाले, and as well as गोरे रंग का ज़माना. All Hollywood numbers are also centered around fairness. So these all things, they all are reinstating in the younger generation that fair skin matters a lot. But one thing, she makes it clear that the notions about fairness and fairness creams or about the fair skin, these standards are set by the society and also by the film industry. And these are reinforced in our young college going girls and boys that fair is lovely. She says that this reinforcement must be uprooted so that our college going young girls and boys will have a healthy development. In this lesson, we have discussed that Nandita Das has uprightly rejected the idea that the color of the skin comes in our way to achieve success. She also emphasizes the role of parents and society. It is very much vital to remove color discrimination from among our younger generation. And she wants everyone to treat the fair girl and the dark girl alike. Now let us come to the another part of our discussion, that is group discussion on this topic. Your professor will form groups among you and will ask you to comment on the various topics which as follows. Elucidate the societal standards on beauty, explain the rise in commercials on fairness creams, discuss the domination of the catchword gori gori craving in the domain of advertisement, mass media and cinema, parental role to instill confidence and courage into the minds of their children irrespective of their skin color. Now let us come to the another activity, to write commentary on the various topics. Your professor will form groups among you and will ask to write commentaries on the various topic which follows. What is Nandita Das' experience as a dusky woman? How did Nandita Das react to fairness creams? What is the role of women in bringing about a change to racist attitude? How is the view of college girls on fairness being analyzed? Dear students, there is an ancient book of wisdom. That book says, God has created the black, the white, the red and the yellow. We all are united. The God makes rain upon the wicked ones, the black ones, the white ones, on all of the colors. God showers His blessing. So let us forget color discrimination and racial discrimination, and let us all get together and get united. Thank you very much.